तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त. It's one of my guilty pleasures.
What
You know,
a
there's a very funny story attached to it. जब वो पिक्चर आई थी तब VHS होते थे. तो जब भी ये गाना आता था, my mother used to say कि यार पता नहीं यार ये क्या किया है इन्होंने. पिक्चर अक्षय कुमार के साथ बनाई और सुनील शेट्टी के साथ बनाई और गाने में सनी देओल को ले लिया. And for the longest time, I'm not kidding, for about a year and a half, I was a 7-year-old kid. My mother made me believe that it was not Akshay Kumar, it was Sunny Deol in the song. And I would watch it every week and be like, nahi mummy, Akshay Kumar hai.
Akshay Kumar.
And mummy's like, nahi beta, tu dhyan se dekh, it's Sunny Deol.
Saqib Salim, welcome to Radio Nasha.
Hi Rohini, how are you doing?
I'm
So
doing
good to talk to you again.
Thank you.
We've been talking a lot lately, so it's nice to talk to you again. It feels very familiar.
Thank you. Well, welcome to मेरी 90s की playlist. It's a बहुत ही अजीज concept है to my heart because I came up with it. The idea is that we're all 90s kids and we grew up in the 90s. So जाहिर सी बात है, there are some of our favorite 90s songs that everybody has a playlist. You know, वो गंद वाली playlist जो रात को पार्टी के बाद like 2 बजे को हम अपना playlist शुरू करते हैं. So मुझे बताओ कि are you a 90s kid? First of all, like Bollywood 90s, what's the impact been? पहले से सब शुरू करते हैं.
Matlab, I am an actor, I think, because of that 90s impact I had on my life. I was born in 1988. So my understanding of cinema started when I was, say, about 7-8 years, to be really honest, when I started identifying actors, कि ये actor मुझे बहुत पसंद है. क्योंकि जब आप छोटे होते हो, तब आपको ये थोड़ी पता होता है कि कोई डायरेक्टर होता है, कोई राइटर होता है. आपको लगता है सब कुछ ही एक्टर करता है.
Correct.
So वो identification मेरी लाइफ में I think when I was about 5 or 7 वो आई. उस दौरान बहुत आइकॉनिक पिक्चरें बनी यार. From one of my favorite films, जो जीता वही सिकंदर. I think it's made in 91. I got to saw it when I was about 5 or 6. That's about in 94, 95. That's the first time I saw it, and I'm like, oh, this is the best film ever.
क्या तुमने कहा change the gear, Sanju, change the gear?
मतलब outstanding film यार. मतलब राम राम छोटे सरकार.
राम राम छोटे सरकार.
मतलब like outstanding. Like when you and I was watching the film very recently in the lockdown.
Yeah.
And it still holds, yaar. It's still very good. It's still the way they've showed the whole school college culture. It's so progressive. I think वो coolness जो तब थी वो अब हमें दिखाने में मुश्किल हो जाता है.
काफी interesting soundtrack है because there are some forgettable songs in that soundtrack. But I'm assuming that the hero of that soundtrack is the hero for you as well, which is Pehla Nasha, correct?
Oof, what a song यार.
अच्छा मुझे 90s की पूजा में भी वो वाला impact मुझे बताओ because एक generation उनके ऊपर मतलब पागल हो
बड़ी हुई है. बड़ी हुई है literally.
Yeah.
I still remember when I saw that film, I was blown away by the film, and I had a very secret crush on her. I'm like, Arey, she's so pretty, but that time you're so small, you don't understand what it is that you like a person. But truth be told, if she was in front of me, I wouldn't have been able to say anything at all to her. So it was that sweet little crush that I had on her, I think, as a kid, and I think that's what every 90s kid had when they saw that film and when they were growing up.
अब दूसरा गाना कौन सा होगा for the playlist?
So when I was growing up, Rohini, I was a massive Khiladi fan. So I was a massive Akshay Kumar fan. I had posters of Akshay Kumar all over my room. And one film I really, really love as a film also is Mohra.
Yeah.
That came out, I think, in 94, 95. So uska ek gana hai, तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त. It's one of my guilty pleasures. That song. There's a very funny story attached to it. That तब ना जब वो पिक्चर आई थी तब VHS होते थे. ये VCD, DVD ये सब नहीं आए थे. तब VHS होते थे. तो हमें रेंट करके लेके आना पड़ता था. तो हम हफ्ते में एक बार मैं मोहरा देखता था. ये था क्योंकि I was a massive अक्षय कुमार fan. तो मुझे हफ्ते में एक बार देखनी होती थी. तो जब भी ये गाना आता था, my mother used to say कि यार पता नहीं यार ये क्या किया है इन्होंने. पिक्चर अक्षय कुमार के साथ बनाई और सुनील शेट्टी के साथ बनाई और गाने में सनी देओल को ले लिया.
What?
So I'm like, what? Sunny Deol and for the longest time, I'm not kidding, for about a year and a half, I was a 7-year-old kid. my mother made me believe that it was not Akshay Kumar, it was Sunny Deol in the song, and I would watch it every week and be like, nahi mummy, Akshay Kumar hai.
Akshay Kumar.
And mummy's like, nahi beta, tu dhyan se dekh, it's Sunny Deol.
You think your mom?
So I heard that song. I don't know what my mother's intentions were, but I saw this song over a period of 1 year every week, and I fell in love with this song. So there's a time in every party in my house or wherever that at about 1:30 when the Hindi playlist starts, Tu Cheez Badi Hai Mast Mast is one of the first songs to play.
वो है ना पानी सा जब शुरू होता है, you know that this is
that Paresh Rawal in the beginning is outstanding, yaar. Is outstanding. Is outstanding.
वो अपने चश्मों के साथ ऊपर नीचे ऐसे करते हैं. My God, what were the 90s really? क्या कपड़े थे. और मुझे याद है, I have a story with the Tu Cheez Badi Hai Mast Mast. मेरे एक अंकल हैं, and he was a classical music lover. He is a classical music lover. तो हम मतलब South Indian family, so you know not too much Bollywood and everything. तो हम उनको पटाते थे कि ये गाना बहुत अच्छा है अंकल, पता है क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें पानी सा है, तो ये क्लासिकल बेस्ड गाना है. और वो बोलते हैं हाँ ये गाना चलाएंगे. तो सिर्फ ये गाना देखने के लिए हम लोग सुपर हिट मुकाबला देखते थे क्योंकि एक क्लासिकल गाना है. Oh my God!
हफ्ते में एक बार.
I can't imagine what it is like. अगर आपको कोई चीज चेक करनी है, you have to wait for a whole week to watch that one song again.
उसमें अलग मजा नहीं था. Tell me something to like that whole build up every week कि आज संडे को रात को 9 से 10 सुपर हिट मुकाबला आएगा. वो काउंटडाउन में कौन सा नंबर गाना नंबर 1 होगा used to be a thing in the house.
I know.
Now with all these apps, I'm sure it's also good and music is reaching out to a lot more people, 100%. But I feel that maza of that once a week ka maza has just gone away a little.
Just want to say कि ultimately एक आदमी को जानना हो तो उसकी 90s की प्लेलिस्ट उनसे पूछ लो, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वो गुलजार साहब के गाने सुनना पसंद करते हैं जब अकेले होते हैं, या फिर गोविंदा के गाने, which is completely my jam. Which brings me to, I hope and pray.
How do you know my third song already?
Yes.
How can you just say Govinda and we don't talk about a Govinda song from the 90s?
Exactly. कौन सा गाना है लेकिन?
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था टू मैं तो भेल पूरी खा रहा था. You know, this is the song that made me realize that dance करना सिर्फ हाथ पांव हिलाना नहीं होता है. You dance from here. You dance from here and it is mesmerizing, man. मतलब Govinda sir in that song, oof, I don't think that level of maza any actor can have within them.
Second, I want to know this कि क्या तुम एक dancer हो? Do you like to dance? Because I feel, and correct me if I'm wrong, कि आजकल की फिल्मों में यार ये जो डांसिंग हुआ करती थी ना, जहाँ पे पीछे 100 एक्स्ट्रा है, सड़के वड़के ब्लॉक किए मैसूर के, which is where the song was shot, और वहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग ऐसे सिंक में स्टेप्स कर रहे हैं. तुम्हें लगता है कि as being an actor of today तुम्हें ये मौका नहीं मिल रहा या मिला है?
नहीं, मैंने किए पीछे बैकग्राउंड डांसर्स वाले गाने भी किए. I won't say I'm a fabulous dancer, but yeah. I would say I'm a feel wala dancer. I'm a boy from Delhi who's danced at 10,000 weddings already. So I'm coming from experience. Because in Delhi, हाँ शादी मतलब मैं तो दोस्तों की शादियों पे इसलिए गया हूँ क्योंकि मैं बारात में नाच सकूँ. Because मुझे बारात में नाचने में बहुत मजा आता है. I think it's the only time where everybody is just so happy and you're happy not for yourself but for somebody else.
Yes.
For this person sitting, मतलब for your friend, for your girlfriend or for your boyfriend, whoever is getting married, you're just happy for that person, and it's that feeling of celebration is something else. So I love dancing at weddings. So I think I've got a rhythm in my body, which is great. Do I miss doing something like that? 100%. Yeah. Of course, like you said, I'm a 90s baby. Yeah. I've seen films that are larger than life, where heroes are larger than life. So yes, I do miss it sometimes. But I feel हर टाइम का एक अलग स्टाइल होता है. वो 90s का स्टाइल था, ये 2020 है, तो कुछ इवॉल्व हुई हैं पिक्चरें. अब शायद उन चीजों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बट जब भी ऐसी कोई पिक्चर मुझे मिलेगी मैं तो डेफिनेटली करूंगा जिसमें हो कुछ 50-100 डांसर पीछे सेम स्टेप कर रहे हो. और मतलब मजा पता है क्या होता था कि जैसे ये कोई जैसे ये मैं रास्ते पे जा रहा हूँ, ये मैं रास्ते पे जा रहा था, ये जो गाना है, it's set in like this big market and everything, this hustle bustle is happening, and suddenly when Govinda starts dancing, everybody knows the step. It's like, अरे सबको कैसे पता, but you want to believe it. You want to believe it because it's just so magical.
Yeah, logic had no place in the 90s, and शायद इसी
but can I say something that हम हमेशा लॉजिक की बात करते हैं ना, बट सिनेमा में हमेशा मैजिक होना चाहिए. There has to be something magical. हर चीज में लॉजिक ढूंढेंगे ना तो फिर सिनेमा नहीं
बनेगी.
Cinema has to be magical. There has to be a degree of magic in movie making, 100%.
We started off with some Amir Khan, उसके बाद हम गए अक्षय कुमार, and then we had some Govinda, but the 90s is incomplete without this one person. Let's see if you can guess किन की बात कर रही हूँ मैं.
शाहरुख खान. Who else?
Yes, absolutely. अच्छा मुझे
मतलब
शाहरुख खान के फैन हो?
बिल्कुल हूँ, बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. मतलब कैसी बातें कर रहे हो यार, दिल्ली से आता हूँ, वो दिल्ली से है. मतलब मैं तो ना घर पे बैठ के बस ऐसे रजिस्टर में देखता रहता हूँ मेरी और उनकी सिमिलैरिटी. अच्छा वो भी दिल्ली से आए, मैं भी दिल्ली से आया, वो भी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़े, मैं भी दिल्ली. मतलब जो चीजें मिल भी नहीं रही है मैं उनको भी मिलाता था. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन आई वाज बिगिनिंग टू बिकम एन एक्टर. I was massively influenced by it. I felt like also, I think a lot of us who come from outside, who come from Delhi, other smaller cities or wherever we come from, we can come to Bombay because of Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar and people like them who've made us believe that it is possible. Because I remember when I was coming to Bombay and I told my dad that I want to go, he's like, तू जानता किसको है वहां पर, क्या करेगा वहां जाकर? So my reply was, अरे पापा शाहरुख खान और अक्षय कुमार ने भी तो कर लिया. And my dad is like, ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से लाते हो बेटा?
Sure, जाके उनके साथ रहना.
But in all honesty, they made us believe that we can dream. And the 90s is incomplete without Shah Rukh Khan. And he has some iconic hits, huh? He has some mind-blowing.
ये बहुत important है.
From he had a DDLJ also in the 90s, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, कभी हाँ कभी ना DDLJ.
कभी हाँ कभी ना is my favorite film. Is love.
I can't believe this.
दिल तो पागल है.
Absolutely.
But I think the Dar, Bazigar, the iconic films, and every film had great music.
Yeah.
Every film had some chartbuster songs. But I think the music score of one film in particular that has stayed with me even now, and it's on my playlist even now, is Dil Se. I think the music of that film is Rahman Saab at his best. Oof.
कौन सा गाना चुनोगे for the playlist चलिए मुझे बताओ.
छैया में अलग ही बात है. मतलब वो एक हर लड़के को करना है, पता नहीं क्यों. वो बहुत अनसेफ है, पहले बता दूं. ट्रेन के ऊपर चढ़ के ऐसे नाचना वाचना, ये इम्पॉसिबल है और ये करना नहीं चाहिए किसी को. बट वो गाना देख के लगता है अरे हमें भी करना चाहिए. So I think that's what that song did to me. It just felt so cool that they shot a song on a moving train and everybody's dancing so well. Shah Rukh sir's jumping from one place to the other. He's going on his knees and the passion he does it with, and such beautiful lyrics, yaar. मतलब what beautiful sound. मतलब such a unique, different sound. As in, I was very young then, and that song just stuck, and it stayed with me through and through. Though Ae Ajnabi from that film is equally good. मतलब if I had to choose, it will be a very difficult fight, but I think I'll have to go with Chaiya Chaiya. I think that's the more popular choice.
बिल्कुल. I also think that, as you said, it was the first time जब हमने देखा कि लोग एक मूविंग ट्रेन पे डांस करे. तब तक ट्रेन में बहुत सारे गाने शूट हुए थे ट्रेन के अंदर, लेकिन दिस मूविंग ट्रेन, it's not fake, CG का काम नहीं है. They actually managed this. Correct. And just those shots, yaar, Mala, like with that beautiful body, and you're just like, oh my god, Mala Khan, you're just so amazing. I just love this song, and जब भी ये शो पर बजता है, I think, like, I know that everybody wants the whole song to play.
The energy in that song is only different, yaar, Rohini. The energy in that song is next level. It just makes you want to dance. if you're at a party and suddenly that song plays, even if you're away from the dance floor, you start inching towards the dance floor so as to see अगर तुम्हारे एक दो लोग dance कर रहे तुम dance कर लोगे. It gives you that feeling from within. So I think that's a very, very good song.
You know, Saqib, I love your choices. I just want to say it's the most comprehensive 90s playlist because it's like a tribute to the heroes of the 90s. एकदम धमाकेदार playlist हमें देने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. And my audience is going to say thank you for making us dance this morning. And here's to you dancing through the next year. Take care.
Thank you, Rohini. It's always lovely to talk to you. And I hope to do another interview very, very soon.